If Firefox keeps opening on istart.websearches.com, or your searches are being redirected without your permission, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove istart.websearches.com from Firefox and get your browser back to normal. We'll go step by step, starting with removing the unwanted program from your computer, then fixing any browser shortcut changes, and finally setting Google back as your default search engine in Firefox. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we need to uninstall anything suspicious from your computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel, then open it. Once Control Panel appears, click on Programs and Features, or if you see it, select Uninstall a program. This will show you a list of everything installed on your PC. Now carefully look through the list for anything that says Web Searches, iStart, or any program that you do not recognize. If you started seeing this problem around a certain time, pay close attention to programs that were installed around that same date. These unwanted browser hijackers often hide inside free downloads or bundled software, so anything unfamiliar should be checked closely. When you find the suspicious program, right-click it and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it completely. If Windows asks you to confirm, click Yes or Uninstall to proceed. Once that is done, close the window and move on to the next step. Next, we need to fix your browser shortcut, because in some cases the hijacker attaches itself to the Firefox shortcut and keeps coming back even after uninstalling. This is a very important step that many people miss. Go to your desktop and find your Firefox shortcut. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Shortcut tab. Now look at the target box. You should see a line that ends with firefox.exe in quotation marks. If you see any extra web address after the ending quote, such as http://websearches.com or anything similar, delete everything after the .exe closing quote mark. Make sure only the legitimate Firefox path remains. After removing the unwanted web address, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. This helps make sure Firefox launches normally instead of loading the hijacked search page. Now it's time to open Firefox and reset your search settings. Launch Firefox, then click the three lines in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Search section. Here, you can choose your default search engine. Set Google as your default search engine so your searches go through the correct provider instead of being redirected. While you are in Firefox settings, after that, close Firefox completely and reopen it to make sure the changes were saved. Test the browser by searching for something simple. If everything was removed correctly, Firefox should open normally and your searches should go to Google instead of web searches. If the issue still appears after doing these steps, you may need to check for additional unwanted extensions or run a malware scan on your computer, since browser hijackers can sometimes leave behind extra components. But for most users, uninstalling the unwanted program, fixing the shortcut, and resetting the search engine is enough to solve the problem. And that's how to remove istart.websearches.com from Firefox. A few quick checks can save you a lot of frustration and get your browser working the way it should again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.